I tried putting ChatGPT up to test against Mistral 7B Q4 AI model running on my 1080 Ti GPU. In this video, I asked both ChatGPT and Mistral 7B 3 same prompts to see which behaves smarter. The first prompt I fed to ChatGPT is to explain to me how artificial intelligence works in the simplest way. We can see that ChatGPT breaks down each topic into detail. Now let's see what Mistral 7B has to say. From Mistral, we can see that it gives us two key aspects of what makes up an AI, which it mentioned about machine learning and neural networks. The next prompt I feed to both AI models is to give me a step-by-step plan to make £100 online from £0. Reason is these tests real-world usefulness on each AI model, which reveals can the AI give usable advice, or does it just output generic fluff? The response from ChatGPT, we can see that it breaks everything down into detail just like it did with the previous prompt, and shows the user on how to actually perform the plan. On the other hand, Mistral 7B seemed to just output a workflow of how to first even begin with this £100 from £0 plan. The response from Mistral 7B, we can see that its answer was the mixed box should be labeled apples. The box initially thought to contain oranges now has apples, but is still labeled as oranges. And the last unlabeled box contains only oranges. This reveals that Mistral's answer was a classic example of partial reasoning that breaks midway. We can also see that ChatGPT answer is technically correct, but is incomplete. ChatGPT fails to finish the reasoning and leaves the user to figure out the rest. But considering this is a small 7 billion model running locally on the 1080 Ti, it's actually pretty impressive. It's not just replacing ChatGPT anytime soon.